Hey guys, I'm back to make another video. This time we're gonna go over another unboxing video. So, let's get into it. I just got this today, and I'm really excited to open it up. Gotta get out the knife. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the scissors. Tomb Raider Chronicles. Yes. As I said in the last unboxing video, I said that I was gonna get Tomb Raider Chronicles, and luckily, it took me only 2 days to get this. So, yeah. There's Lara Croft. I think that's her. So let's read the back. Her legacy lives on. In light of Laura's recent disappearance at the Croft estate on a gray, rainy day for a memorial service in her honor, afterwards the friends sit quietly together in the studies of the Croft mansion and provide new insights about Laura's past exploits that have until now remained a secret. 4 new adventures take you from the rooftops of a high-tech city to the bowels of a German U-boat. Utilize new moves to overcome obstacles, tightrope walking, parallel bar swinging, and a hand-to-hand stealth attack. Choose from an arsenal of weapons including a grappling hook gun, sniper rifle, and chloroform. Enhanced inventory system for greater combinations of weapons and accessories. Search through files, drawers, and shelves for useful inventory items. So, let's get into the disc. Oops. Wait. See, it says Tomb Raider Chronicles. There's the disc. And this is just a thank you note. So we're going to take that out. And there's the comic series for Tomb Raider. Yeah, pretty good. This only cost $17.58. This was a pretty good buy. And let's just read this. It says, "Hello, thank you for your purchase. I need your positive feedback, and please remember, 5 stars is my goal and the measure of my service. It is very important to me to meet your expectations. If I have fallen short of positive feedback and 5 stars, please let me know before you leave negative and neutral feedback or any other action. Thanks again for shopping with my eBay store, Brian." So, there we go. And technically what Tomb Raider Chronicles is in the last revelation, which I went over last time in the unbox video, she dies, and Chronicles is about Laura's past adventures before leading up to the events. And yeah, the stories that her friends tell her, that her friends talk about, are the levels. And to be honest, out of all the Tomb Raider games, this one is actually my favorite. The second one is possibly Anniversary, but my least favorite is 3. Why? It's hard. And Tomb Raider Chronicles is a good neutral video game. And yeah, this came out in 2000. Not just for the PlayStation, but for the PC and Sega Dreamcast. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I will see you later. Peace.